Hello students, today I will start chapter number 19 from your reasoning book, that is series completion. Let's see the exercise number 19.1. In these questions you have to given a series and you have to complete it by using the options. Before I explain the question number 1, I want to explain that in each and every questions of exercise number 19.1 and 19.2, you have to just focus on the given series. Then you have to observe the pattern. Like in the question number 1, the valuation of the question is 6, then 13, then 25, then 51, then 101. And after this, you have to complete this from the option. 6, 13, that means when we multiply 2 and plus 1, 6 multiplied 2, that means 12 plus 1, it is 13. Similarly, for 25, 13 multiplied 12, multiplied 2, that means 26, 13 2s are 26, and when we subtract 1, it will be 25. Similarly, in the next pattern, 25 multiplied 2 plus 1, it will be 51. That means 51 multiplied 2 minus 1. That means the following pattern, this pattern will be follows. In the question number 1, multiply 2 plus 1, then multiply 2 minus 1, then again multiply 2 plus 1, then again multiply 2 minus 1. So in the missing pattern, that is 101, it should be multiplied 2. The answer will be 204, and when we 202, and when we added 1, it will be 203. So option number C will be right for this. B will be right for this given series. Let's see the question number 2. In the question number 2, the given series is 2, 4, 16. Let's see the solution. The first one is 2. When we do the square of 2, its answer will be 4. Next number was 4. When we do the square of 4, its value will be 16. Next number was 16. When we do the square of 16, its value will be 256. So the answer of this question is 256. That means which option will be right? Option number D. Now student, let's see the next question, that is question number 5. 28, 33, 31, 36. So observe the pattern. The pattern is 28 plus 30 plus 5, that means 33. Then 33 minus 2, then plus 5, then minus 2. That means 36 minus 2, it will be 34. So the pattern will be plus 5, minus 2, plus 5 and minus 2. Let's see the next question, that is question number 6. 120, 99, 80, 63, 48, then question mark. In this question, so firstly 21 will be subtracted from both, then 19 will be subtracted from 99, then 17 will be subtracted, then 15 will be subtracted, then 13 will be subtracted. That means 48 minus 13, that is 35. Let's see the next question. In this question, you can see 3, then 10, then 4, then 17, then 5, then 26, then 6. Student, you can see 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 1, it will be 6. That means you have to see these two, then these two, then these two. Alternate. In each and every step, we have to add plus 1. Moving on the rest part. That means these two, then these two, then next two. So 10 is here. When we added 7, it will be 17. Then 70 is here. When we added 9, it will be 26. That means in 26, when we added 11, it will be 37. So option number B will be right, that is 37. Now student, let's see the question number 8, that is 0, 3, 8, 15, 24. In this following pattern, you can see this is the given series, and 0 plus 3, it will be 3, 3 plus 5, it will be 8, 8 plus 7, and 15 plus 9. That means First term is zeros. In the second term, we will add 3. Third term, we will add 5. Next term, we will add 7. Then next term, we will add 9. That means last one is 24. So after 9, we will add 11. It will be 45. So 45 will be the missing number. Now all the students, let's see the exercise number 19.2, question number 1. The next question is 2, 16, 25, 96, 285 and 568. In this given series, the following pattern are there. Multiply 6 minus 6. That means when we multiply 2 to 6 and when we subtract 6, it will be 6. That means 2 multiply 6, it is 12. 12 minus 6, that means 6. Here you have to multiply with 5 minus 5, that means 25 will be remaining. Then multiply with 4 minus 4, it will be 96. 3 minus 3, it will be 285. And now here we have to multiply 285 into 2 and minus 2. And now here we have to multiply this 2, 1 and then subtract minus 1. That means 568 multiply 1, that means 568. And when we subtract 1, its answer will be 567. Let's see the next question, that is FAG, GAF, HAI and IAH. Then you have to fill the correct option. Student, you can see in this given series, the letter A is in the mid in each and every alphabets. You can see FAG, A is here, GAF, A is here, HAI, A is here, IAH, A is here. That means in the next pattern, A will be in the middle. Now, all the students, let's see the first alphabet, that is FAG. This is the first. In the second, GAF. That means you can see first and third. That means change the position of the letter F and G. It will be GAF. Similarly, HAI and IAH. You can see change H to I. It will be IH. And all are in the sequential order. F, G, H, I. Next one will be J. So fifth letter will be J, then the K, and in the middle which letter will be there? It will be A. So our correct option is JAK. I hope now you are able to complete the all questions of exercise number 19.1 and exercise number 19.2.